welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am super excited because I have another vegan recipe coming your way, and this one is super easy and super quick, and might I add, very tasty. So it's none other than my chickpea chicken salad. As you guys know, I try to recreate things that we're already used to and flavors that we're already used to, and this is one of those things that when I was non-vegan, I loved chicken salad, and I had to come up with a way to recreate that flavor. So if you're interested in today's video, please stay tuned, but make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's jump into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer my chickpeas that actually have been boiled for about 5 to 7 minutes in some vegan chicken broth. And I'm just gonna mash them with a fork just to try and break them up a little bit more. You can leave a few pieces whole, but I like to try and break up as many pieces as I possibly can. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some celery to that, as well as some red onion. Once that's all combined, I'm gonna add some vegan mayo, as well as some just regular yellow mustard and some dill relish, and then I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. I do like my chickpea chicken salad a little sweet, so I prefer to add a little sugar to it, and then also some celery seed. Now that's the base of my chickpea chicken salad. I do different variations. Sometimes I add in some diced apples. Sometimes I add dried cranberries. Sometimes I add in some walnuts. It just depends on what I'm in the mood for. Or I add a combination of those things. So at this point, you can add any additional items that you want to add to yours. And then I'm just going to show you guys like a quick sandwich. I like to do some lettuce, tomato. Sometimes I'll add like some more onion, but because I put onion in it, I don't have to have that on some toast and eat it like that. But I also like to eat mine with crackers. There's just so many different things you could do with this recipe. I love it. It's simple, it's quick, easy, and so fulfilling. All right, so please let me know what you guys think of this recipe. This was a hit at my Cotton Creations vegan dining experience. When I tell you that nobody had any of it left on their plates when I went back out to clear plates, it was amazing. And I had friends text messaging me the next day about it. So please let me know what you guys think of this recipe down in the comment section down below. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.